In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using the toolbar in Google Docs to enhance your viewing experience. If you're navigating through a document that's particularly lengthy or dense, adjusting your viewing perspective can be incredibly useful. It can help you see more of your document at once and provide a clearer sense of its overall structure, allowing you to work more efficiently. To begin with, you'll want to open your Google Docs file. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the toolbar, which is positioned at the very top of the page. This toolbar is an essential component of Google Docs, as it houses various tools that can aid in text formatting, document navigation, and much more. For today's purpose, we will focus on just one feature of this toolbar, the zoom function. Direct your gaze to the right side of the toolbar, and you will notice the Zoom drop-down menu. This menu typically displays a percentage like 100%, which indicates your current zoom setting. By default, Google Docs often sets this to show your document at its actual size or 100% zoom. This is the standard setting that displays your document at a 1-to-1 scale, meaning it appears on your screen roughly the same size it would if printed. However, when you need to gain a broader view of your document, you may want to adjust this setting. To do this, click on the Zoom drop-down menu. Once clicked, a list of options will appear, allowing you to select a smaller percentage to zoom out. For example, choosing 75% or 50% will shrink the on-screen size of your document's content. But as a result, more of the document will be visible without you having to scroll up or down as frequently. This can be particularly useful for tasks such as proofreading, comparing sections of the document, or simply getting a feel for how the document flows from start to finish. Remember, though reducing your zoom level can provide a more comprehensive overview of your document, it will make the text smaller and possibly harder to read for extended periods. So, adjust it according to your needs and comfort. You can always revert to a larger percentage if you need to focus on intricate details or if the text becomes too small to read comfortably. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to adjust your viewing perspective in Google Docs using the toolbar. It's a small adjustment, yet one that can make a big difference in how you interact with your documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tip helps you in managing your documents more effectively. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other content for more tips and tricks.